How's it going? Mike Love here at MarineMax Ocean View. And today we're taking a look at this 2026 Boston Whaler 170 Montauk. Starting in the back of the boat, this can be powered by a Mercury 115 four-stroke engine. That's the max horsepower for this option. In the back is equipped with the aft seating package, which is going to give you these jump seats and backrests. The backrests do pull out to give you two rod holders on both sides. Now up at the lean post here, this is reversible, so you can adjust it for whatever's comfortable running position. And then underneath, you're going to have a nice sized live well. Up at the helm, 7-inch SimRad multifunctional display for charts and depth or anything else you need underway. Tachometer, JL audio, and then all your redundancy switching up here. Bimini top for those hot sunny days. In the front, it is equipped with a fishing package, which is going to give you this Plano box storage, as well as this cooler seat in the front, 4 rod holders, and then the cushions or backrests here. On the bow of the boat, you're going to have storage underneath here, and an anchor locker underneath the front pad. It can be a sun pad, or you can take these all off and be a great casting platform, great space for like lying out or anything you need to use. And then these high rails, great thing to hold on to underway. So again, this is Mike Love here at MarineMax Ocean View, looking at this 2026 170 Montauk. If you'd like to see this boat or any of our other inventory, love to have you stop by. Thanks, and see you out on the water.